Want stronger abs without crunches? These 6 standing ab exercises target your entire core, improve balance, boost calorie burn, and help build a stronger, more defined midsection anywhere.
Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are one of the best standing exercises for increasing your heart rate and preparing your body for the workout. Stand tall with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Perform 20 to 30 repetitions or 45 seconds continuously at a moderate pace. Focus on landing softly on the balls of your feet to reduce stress on the joints. Keep your core engaged and maintain an upright posture throughout the movement. Common mistakes include landing heavily, allowing the knees to cave inward, or moving too slowly to elevate the heart rate. Breathe naturally and maintain a steady rhythm. This exercise warms up the shoulders, legs, and cardiovascular system while helping increase calorie burn from the very beginning. Knee drives. Knee drives are excellent for targeting the lower abs, hip flexors, and improving balance while keeping the heart rate elevated. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Drive one knee upward toward your chest while pulling your arms down as if performing a crunch, then alternate sides. Perform 20 to 30 repetitions per leg, or 45 seconds continuously. Move with control rather than relying on momentum. Engage your core every time the knee rises and keep your chest lifted. Avoid leaning excessively backward or hunching forward. A common mistake is lifting the knee only halfway, reducing abdominal engagement. Another mistake is rushing through the movement without fully contracting the abs. Maintain steady breathing and focus on bringing the knee as high as possible while staying balanced. This exercise helps improve coordination, burn calories, and strengthen the core. Standing cross crunches. Standing cross crunches effectively target the rectus abdominis and oblique muscles while improving mobility. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and place your hands behind your head. Bring your right knee upward while twisting your torso to touch it with your left elbow. Then alternate sides. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions per side or 45 seconds continuously. Keep the movement controlled and squeeze your abdominal muscles during each repetition. Avoid pulling on your neck with your hands or simply moving your elbows without rotating the torso. Another mistake is raising the knee too low, which limits core activation. Maintain a tall posture and exhale as you crunch. This exercise strengthens the waistline, improves rotational strength, and increases calorie expenditure without placing stress on the lower back. Jump squats. Jump squats are an explosive lower body exercise that significantly increases calorie burn while strengthening the legs and glutes. Begin in a squat position with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips until your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor. Then explode upward into a jump. Land softly and immediately transition into the next repetition. Perform 12 to 20 repetitions or 45 seconds continuously. Keep your chest up, core tight, and knees tracking in line with your toes. Avoid allowing the knees to collapse inward or landing with stiff legs. Another common mistake is squatting too shallow, reducing muscle activation. Focus on controlled landings and powerful jumps. This exercise builds lower body strength, improves athletic performance, and serves as a high-intensity finisher for maximum fat-burning results. High knees. High knees are a powerful cardio exercise that rapidly elevates the heart rate while engaging the core and lower body. Stand tall and run in place while driving your knees as high as possible toward your waist. Pump your arms naturally to increase momentum and calorie burn. Perform 40 to 60 repetitions total, or 45 seconds continuously. Keep your core tight and land softly on the balls of your feet. Avoid leaning backward or allowing your shoulders to slump forward. A common mistake is lifting the knees too low, turning the exercise into a slow jog. Another mistake is landing heavily, which can place unnecessary stress on the joints. Maintain a quick pace while staying controlled. This exercise improves endurance, coordination, cardiovascular fitness, and overall fat-burning potential. Standing ab twists. Standing ab twists are excellent for strengthening the obliques and improving rotational mobility. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and bring your hands together in front of your chest. Rotate your torso from side to side while keeping your hips relatively stable. Perform 30 to 40 twists per side, or 45 seconds continuously. Keep your abdominal muscles engaged throughout the exercise and maintain an upright posture. Common mistakes include moving too fast without control, twisting only the shoulders, or excessively rotating the hips. Breathe steadily and squeeze the obliques during each turn. This movement helps develop core stability, enhances waist strength, and provides a low-impact way to keep the body moving and burning calories.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content that actually gets results. Consistency beats everything, so stick to these exercises and track your progress.